First off, what is the dark web? The dark web is a part of the internet that isn't indexed by search engines like Google. Unlike the deep web, which includes things like private databases and your email inbox, the dark web is often associated with illegal activities. But not everything there is shady, there's a mix of both good and bad. To access the dark web, you'll need a special browser. The most popular one is Tor, but there are others like I2P and Freenet. Remember, always use a VPN before connecting to these browsers to mask your identity and location. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it harder for anyone to track you. Now, how do you find dark web websites? You won't be using Google here. You'll need specific URLs, often ending in onion for Tor sites. There are directories and forums on the surface web that can guide you to these URLs. But be warned, not all sites are trustworthy. Speaking of trust, let's talk about safety. The dark web is a risky place, so protect yourself. Never share personal information, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication where possible. Encryption is your best friend, so use it to secure communication. Always be aware of your surroundings and who you're dealing with. Next, let's discuss dark web scams. Common scams include fake marketplaces, phishing sites, and fraudulent services. To avoid these, do your research. Look for reviews and feedback from other users. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Protect yourself by sticking to reputable sites and never sharing sensitive information. So what can you actually do on the dark web? There are forums, marketplaces, and even whistleblower platforms like SecureDrop. Some people use the dark web for privacy and freedom of speech, especially in oppressive regimes. You can also find rare books, uncensored news, and communities discussing niche topics. Just remember, the dark web is not a playground. Approach it with caution and respect. Before wrapping up, here are some final tips. Always use a VPN. Stick to trusted sites and remember that anonymity is key. The dark web can be intriguing, but it's also fraught with danger. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the web's hidden realms. Stay safe out there and see you next time. Bold subtitle: Exploring the Dark Web, a guided tour.